If your Google Chrome is showing the wrong language, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change Chrome language to English in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if Chrome opened in another language and you want to make the browser easier to use, understand, and navigate. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your Chrome menu, settings, and interface should be switched over to English. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. Now you're in the Chrome settings page. On this page, scroll down until you find the Languages section. In some versions of Chrome, the Languages option may be a little lower on the page, so take your time and look carefully. If you can't find it right away, use the search bar inside Settings and type Languages. That will help you jump directly to the correct section. Once you're in Languages, click to open the language settings. Here, Chrome will show you the current browser language in any languages already added to your list. Now we need to add English if it's not already available. Click Add Languages. A list of available languages will appear. In the search box, type English. You'll usually see options like English United States and English United Kingdom. Choose the version you want to use. If you're in the US, pick English United States. If you prefer British spelling and formatting, choose English United Kingdom. After selecting the one you want, click Add. Now that English has been added, look for it in the language list. Next to English, click the three dots. A menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, select Display Google Chrome in this language. This tells Chrome that you want English to be the main interface language for the browser. After that, Chrome will usually ask you to restart the browser. Click Relaunch. Chrome will close and open again, and when it comes back, it should now be running in English. That means your menus, settings, and browser labels should all be much easier to understand. If Chrome does not switch immediately, double-check that English is set as the display language, and then relaunch once more. Also make sure you selected the correct English version and that the setting actually applied. In most cases, one relaunch is all it takes. And that's it! You've successfully changed Google Chrome language to English. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.